Let me show you how you can switch between light mode and dark mode in Word for Mac. When you head to a View tab at the top, you may notice the toggle for switching between light and dark mode is missing on Macintosh computers. That's because the app will simply follow the mode that is in the system settings. So when you head to your system settings and there is Appearance tab, and from here you can switch between light or dark, and take a look, the app will change as well. And if you prefer dark mode but with the white paper, you can click switch modes here. It's supposed to switch the mode, but it's actually switching just the paper color, so you can still have a white paper with black text on it, in opposite to a black paper with white text. Alright, so you can use a dark mode this way, but still got a proper white paper. So that's the way on Macs. If you use the online version, you can simply see the toggle here in the view and you don't need to worry about system settings. You can always come back here and switch it back to the light. And here it is. As you may notice, this toggle for turning paper black or white disappeared. Alright, I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.